As a senior management group, we nominated Kerry because she inspires us to be better and she creates a safe space for all of us. Through her role modeling, we're able to be better leaders ourselves. We're able to be the best practitioners we can be because we're all social workers at heart and we all kind of grew up in our professional careers as social workers, and she allows us the space to not forget that.
I've been in social work a long time, so it's 35 years. I wanted a different experience for social workers than perhaps I'd had. So I always wanted to make sure that I'd be available if I was a manager, if I was a senior officer, a leader within the organisation, that I would make myself available.
I think what makes Kerry different is her approach. She, as well as being a strategic leader, she's also very operational and she understands what's going on in her service. She's very connected to the service. So she takes time to meet with families, to meet with children and young people, and then directly uses that feedback to inform how we work with families.
I'm more recently new to the team, so she's been really nurturing in terms of supporting my development, enabling me to have some time to become accustomed to the role.
She's a social worker at heart. She loves the story, she loves getting stuck in, she loves being part of the process of change, and she encourages us to be able to be part of that process as well.
The best thing we ever see is when youngsters are laughing together, a giggle together, and these are sometimes youngsters that are doing that for the very first time. That's why, we get up in the mornings.
She is someone who I see as a role model, and she is someone I aspire to be if I'm ever lucky enough to progress to being head of service. She is the type of head of service I would want to be.